Make a call. Place a call to James at extension 3330. Follow the prompts to make a call. Dial James extension 3330. You have successfully placed a call to James. Answer a call. Follow the prompt to answer the call. Press the prime line or the speaker key to answer the call. You have successfully answered a call. Speed call from phone. Follow the prompts to program a speed call key for Tanya in New York.
Press the Applications key.
Press the Settings key. Press Programmable keys. Press an unused key. Press Speed call. Press Edit Label. From the dial pad, spell Tanya in this example. Press Save. Press Edit Number. From the dial pad, enter 91917654321 in this example. Press Save. Press Save again. Press Close. Press Close again. You have successfully programmed and labeled a speed call key for Tanya. Speed call. You call Tanya in the New York office daily. To save time, you have programmed a speed call key with Tanya's number. Follow the prompts to call Tanya. Press the programmable key labeled Tanya. When you have completed the call, press the speaker key. You have successfully used a speed call key. Hold. While you are talking to Maria, your boss comes to your office. You put Maria on hold while you have a brief conversation with your boss. After your boss leaves, retrieve Maria from hold and continue your conversation. Follow the prompts to place a call on hold and then retrieve it. Press the hold key. Press the prime line key to retrieve the call. You have successfully placed the call on hold and retrieved it. Transfer. You have answered a call from Paul. After you finish talking, Paul asks you to transfer him to Kevin at extension 3224. Follow the prompts to transfer the call. Press the transfer conference key. Dial Kevin's extension 3224. Press the Release Me key to complete the transfer. The call has now been transferred to Kevin. Conference. While you are talking to Paul, you decide that you need to include Maria in the call. Follow the prompts to include Maria at extension 3235 in a three-party conference call. Press the Transfer Conference key. Dial Maria's extension 3235. Press the Transfer Conference key. You have successfully set up a three-party conference call with Paul and Maria. Call forward profiles. You can create call forward profiles that identify where to send your incoming calls. Once you create and save a call forward profile, You can enable or disable it at any time. You can program different profiles for different purposes. For example, you may want to have a different call forward profile when you are working away from the office, and one you use when you are in the office. Follow the prompts to create a call forward voicemail profile. Press the menu key. Press the forwarding key. Press Profiles. Press New Profile. Press Edit Profile Name. From the dial pad, enter voicemail as the profile name in this example. Press Save. Busy Internal forwards internal phone calls immediately to voicemail if your line is busy. Press Busy Internal. Press Edit Number. Enter 8200, the voicemail pilot number. Press Save. Press Enable. Press Save. Press Save again. Press Activate to activate the profile. Press Close. You have successfully created and activated a call forward profile for voicemail. Voicemail message. You return to your desk and notice the message indicator and the message key are flashing slowly. There is an envelope in the upper left-hand corner of the display. This indicates you have a call me back and/or a voicemail message. Follow the prompts to retrieve a voicemail call me back message from the voicemail system. For example, 8200. Press the message key. Press Read Message. Press Call. You have successfully connected to the voicemail system. Leave a call me back message. If the message key is lit when you call another extension, you can leave a call me back message instead of a voicemail message. Follow the prompts to leave a call me back message. Dial Kevin's extension 3212. Press the message key while it is lit. Press the speaker key to hang up. You have successfully left a call me back message to an extension. Retrieve a call me back message. You return to your desk and notice the message indicator and the message key are flashing slowly. There is an envelope in the upper left-hand corner of the display. This indicates you have a call me back message. Follow the prompts to retrieve a call me back message. Press the message key. Press Read Message. Press More Message to get more information. Press More Message again. Press Call. You have successfully retrieved the call me back message. Call Park. You receive a call from Tanya. She needs some information which you must retrieve from the file room. Follow the prompts to park Tanya's call. Press the speaker key to answer the call. Press Call Park. You have successfully parked a call. Take note of the extension number where the call is parked and the parking slot number. Parked at 3320, parking slot number 09. Call Park Retrieve. Follow the prompts to retrieve the parked call from the file room phone. Press Call Retrieve. Dial the extension number where the call is parked. 3320. Dial the parking slot number 09. Press the speaker key to complete the call. You have successfully parked a call and retrieved it from another phone. Call pickup. In pickup group. Maria asks you to pick up her calls while she steps away from her desk for a few minutes. Follow the prompts to answer Maria's phone. Press Call Pickup. You have successfully answered a call to a phone in your call pickup group. Call Pickup. Not in pickup group. Kevin's phone keeps ringing. Follow the prompts to answer a call ringing at an extension that is not in your call pickup group. Dial **6 and 3212, the directed call pickup access code in this example, and Kevin's extension number. You have successfully answered a call that did not originate in your call pickup group. Do not disturb. You are having a meeting in your office and do not want to be disturbed by your phone ringing. Follow the prompts to enable and disable Do Not Disturb. Press Do Not Disturb. The light indicates that the Do Not Disturb key is active. When someone calls your number, they will hear reorder tone, and if they are internal, their display will show Do Not Disturb. To disable Do Not Disturb, press the key again. The light goes out. You have successfully enabled and disabled Do Not Disturb. Direct page. You need to talk to Kevin, who is somewhere in the warehouse instead of at his desk. Follow the prompts to place a direct page to James McLeod's phone in the warehouse. Press Direct Page. Dial the warehouse phone number 3330. When you have finished speaking, press the speaker key to end your direct page. You have successfully placed a direct page to a phone in the warehouse. Program personal keys. You can program features on your phone's personal keys. In this example, you will learn how to program a direct page key from the phone. To program other feature keys, follow the same steps outlined in this example. Follow the prompts to learn how to program a personal key as a direct page feature key.
Press the Applications key.
Press the Settings key. Press Programmable keys. Press an unused key. Press the forward arrow key. Press the forward arrow key again. Press the Direct Page key. Press Save. Press Close. Press Close again. You have successfully programmed a direct page key.